Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a user in the 3CX Admin Console. To start, log in to 3CX. Go to the 3CX Admin Console. Select the Users tab. Press this button to create a user. Configure the general settings. The extension has been set up automatically. If you'd like to change the number, set it to one that's available. Type in the user's email address. Enter the user's name. Select the user's role from the drop-down menu. Type in a mobile number if you want to add one on this user. If you want to add an outbound caller ID, type it in here. You could also assign DID numbers to route directly to this user. If you'd like, you could configure 3CX Live Chat and Talk and 3CX Quick Meeting. You can place the links in either your email signature or website to allow people to call and meet. The friendly name has been auto-generated. This is based on the name of this user. Set what information you'll ask your customers for. Go to the Schedule tab if you'd like to configure office hours on this user. Here's an example of a time range setup. The time range can be set to a defined range or to the whole day. Save the user when you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully added a user in the 3CX Admin Console. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.